Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be what fits inside my new Coach Tabby 26. I did film an unboxing, so if you're interested, definitely go check that out. But I definitely wanted to film a what fits inside because Coach she's been in her bag and I'm absolutely in love with all of the bags that Coach has come out with. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I did what fits inside because I know this bag is super popular, as well as a few other Tabby bags, and so I just wanted to show you guys what this bag can hold if you're interested in purchasing it. It's definitely a great kind of day to night bag. Obviously I just have the short handle, but if you wanted to, you could also wear the long strap and wear it crossbody, but this is kind of the way that I prefer to wear it. In my unboxing I kind of go into detail about like the pebbled leather and things like that, so if you want to go check that video, definitely click the link in the description box. But today's video is just going to focus on what fits inside this bad boy. So this is the bag in all its glory. Just a quick overview of what it looks like inside before I start stuffing it. As you can see, there's quite a few compartments. So there's 4 compartments and then a zip compartment here, which I'm assuming you could put your card holder, your keys, just items that are super important that you might need to just get, that you need to have quick access to. So there's quite a lot of compartments in here, which is great. There's also a compartment here in the front, as you can see, and then there's also another compartment space in the back. So there's a ton of compartments for you to organize your items in here. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys for reference what fits. So I have my phone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this fits right in there, no problems. And that's another thing for a small bag, is that I need my phone to fit in order for me to justify purchasing it. So if your phone fits, that is absolutely perfect. Then I just have a couple glosses, so the Dior lip oil as well as the Summer Fridays lip balm. That also fits inside as well, and that can go here. And then we have, although it says Origins, it's actually a Vino in here, but the Vino bottle is just so big, so I put it in here. It is kind of bulky, so I'm not sure if this can take it, but so it does fit. It just kind of distorts the bag a bit, but that's something that I have to carry. I have some hand sanitizer as well. This is a really big bottle as well, and that can fit right in. I have a fragrance. This is the Delina exclusive. That fits right in as well. So all those things in there, the bag is pretty heavy, I must say, but all those items fit perfectly. So as you can see, there's space for so many other items. Unfortunately, I don't have a card holder or a wallet, but my card holder could easily slide in here and fit inside, and my wallet could fit inside here as well. I know a lot of us hold compact mirrors, so this is actually a bronzer, but sometimes I'll take it around because it has a mirror, and this is just a Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and it's pretty big. Like, this is my hand for reference, and this is the bronzer, so it is a large item, and that can also fit back here as well. So as you can see, there is a lot of space, and I can add my sunglasses, like I said, card holder, wallet, all of those items, and they will fit. The only thing is that because, for example, this tub right here is relatively wide, it does distort the bag a bit and makes it a bit bulky. But can I close it? Okay, so there's the bag closed, and it fits everything in there. It is pretty heavy because I did practically stuff it, but overall it's a very, very spacious bag. Again, this is just one more look of what it looks inside and all the compartments. And what I love about these compartments is that you don't need an organizer. Some bags are just basically one big gaping hole, and you're unable to organize your stuff accordingly, and you'd have to buy an organizer, whereas Coach has pretty much done this for you. So they've organized everything for you, so you can just place everything, and then you can also see everything as well. So that is all what fits in the Coach Tabby 26. So that is the end of this video. Very short but straight to the point. Let me know if you're interested in purchasing this bag. This is definitely more on the affordable side, because I believe it's under £500. I think it retails for around $4.50, and hopefully Coach isn't increasing their prices anytime soon. You can also purchase it from mybag.com, which is where I purchased it from, and I I got 25% off, I believe. So I didn't pay full price, which is fantastic. So you can definitely get this bag on sale or with any type of discounts that they have running at the moment. So definitely go check that out. But definitely a bag that I absolutely love and adore, and I just can't wait to style it. So let me know if you want me to kind of do any styling videos, which I don't really do on my channel that often, but maybe I should start getting into it. But yeah, that's everything on the Coach Tabby 26. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.